Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters and fellow mankind wherever we are, let us be truthful to ourselves, to be honest. How can at this time, this world today, we allow a group of people to do anything they want, to dishonor human basic right, to worship Allah especially? Where is justice? You talk about human right, you talk about fairness, justice. What is this? Is this just lip service? Everyone have the right to worship what they believe. See what is happening in Al Aqsa lately. It's very sad to see the world is silent. Leader, where is the leader? We don't know. Where are they now? How can we allow a small group of people, and to do whatever they want to cause unrest, to kill, to torture? This is called torturing because people are praying in Al Aqsa, and you have army with all their weapons to come, and they are doing all harm to the people, destroy the peace that we are asking God to help us, to help this world, to save this world from COVID-19. And this group of people have no respect to women, children, elderly people. We like to call upon all the good people, whether you're Muslim or not. Let us work together. Let us say stop. Let us say no, enough is enough. Before something greater is going to happen to every one of us. Our Prophet did mention, if you see something that is so bad happening, and we do nothing, we say nothing, we are worried that the anger of God will come, of Allah, then it will wipe everybody. Every one of us will suffer. So firstly, I like to call upon the Muslim leader where you are. When are we going to wake up? When are we going to have that feeling, the feeling of sympathy to fellow Muslim, even to mankind? How can we keep quiet? We cannot even send a force to go and protect the right of the Muslim toward Al Aqsa. May Allah guide all of us. May Allah protect all of us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala show His mercy and justice. So we keep on praying. To the people who are worshiping Allah, we are with you in our prayer. Al Aqsa is always in our heart. And we pray, may Allah Rabbul Alameen use whatever power He has. If they are asking Allah to show them the power, this is the time we ask Allah to show His power. May Allah forgive the soul of those who become the victim in Al Aqsa Mosque in the blessed month Ramadan al-Mubarak. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala unite the shuhada wherever they are. All our mothers, our children, our father, whose heart is attached to Al Aqsa because we are Muslim. Allah Rabbul Alameen, Ya Rab, save all of us from this great fitan and show your power to this group of people who have no respect to human life and don't honor the right of people who worship you, O Allah. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. If we have wronged ourselves, O Allah, we ask your forgiveness. And we ask you to strengthen in our heart with the right iman, that we are here to stand for the haqq, and we are here to bring peace to the world. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd.